Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. The highest power in here that is about x squared under the square root. Similar for this one. Now in this situation we can do about factorization by x squared, so they should be like this. Because x squared multiplied by this one, we got this one. Similar for the second one. Next, x squared go outside the square root, we have x. Similar for this one. Now x divided by x, they cancel. When x approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for the second one. And this one we have number 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.